for today is home economics, and our topic for today is Introduction to Home Economics for grade 4 and grade 5. So let's start our lesson right away. Let's go! So let's start with our lesson for today, Introduction to Home Economics. So what are we going to learn in home economics? So let's read first vocabulary. Vocabulary number 1, home economics. Home economics. Number 2, skills. Skills. Number 3, baking. Baking. Number 4, cooking. Cooking. Number 5, sewing. Sewing. Number 6, family. Family. Number 7, health. Health. Number 8 is hygiene. Hygiene. Okay, so I wrote some pasapay words here. I hope it helps you. Okay, so let's start with home economics. What is home economics? Okay, let's read this one. It is a subject or class that teaches us in becoming an independent person. Okay, so meaning it helps us in becoming an independent person. Okay, so anywhere you go, everywhere you are, you can do anything with the help of our subject, home economics. So let's take a look at the areas of home economics that we can learn. So let's start with the first one, baking. Okay, so the first one is baking. Let's take a look at some example or pictures. Okay, this one is an example of baking. We can learn baking in home economics. Okay, 2, and the next one. In baking also, we can teach you the things or the materials used in baking. Okay, next one will be cooking. Okay, these are the basic subject or topic in home economics, cooking. Okay, so these are some examples. Okay. We can, the same as baking, we can learn the things or equipment, tools we use in the kitchen. Okay. So the next one will be child development. Child development. So what is child development? It's a pattern of physical, language, thoughts, and emotional changes that comes in a person from birth to adulthood. Okay, so these are the patterns that can help us. It will help us understand ourselves from the beginning, from when we are a baby and until we grow up. Okay, so that's the help of child development. Okay, example, this one, child development, the process which human beings typically grow and mature from baby or infancy until you grow old. Okay, another, this one. Okay. Next, household chores. Household chores. Okay, so these are example of household chores. Cleaning inside the house. We will learn this also from our topic, from our lesson, home economics. We can learn cooking, cleaning, washing plates, ironing, washing clothes, taking care of babies. Okay, those are household chores. Another example, this is a big help to your mom and your dad, okay, or your grandma and grandfather. Okay, so let's move on to next, sewing. Okay, so if you have broken clothes or a teared part of your clothes, you can do sewing. Okay, we will learn sewing in home economics. Another example, things and materials we use in sewing and the types and stitches that we can learn. This one. Okay, next will be budgeting. Okay, here we can learn also budgeting our money. Next example, I'm sorry for that. Okay, so these are some example of budgeting. This one, pie graph and graph. This help us budget our money for a day. Okay, it helps us when we grow up. Okay, the next one will be health and hygiene. Okay, health and hygiene. Okay. We need to learn cleaning ourselves, we need to learn brushing our teeth, helping others. Okay, so this would be an example of health and hygiene. Okay. So those are some examples of health and hygiene. Okay, so let's move on with our worksheet for today. So are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so this one is your worksheet. So I want you to write your nickname in pasangkit, write the date when you're going to answer your worksheet. And our topic for today is Introduction to Home Economics. Okay, so test 1, identify each picture below. Identify each picture below. So what are these? These are the areas of home economics, right? Okay, so what area of home economics is this picture? Okay, so is it A, cooking, B, baking, C, health and hygiene? So you're going to circle your answer. Okay, so let's try answering number 1. So what is number 1? Number 1 is letter B. Okay, it's letter B, baking. Okay, so you're going to answer the next number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so next. Okay, write the correct spelling of each word below. Okay. So what are these words? These words are from your vocabulary. Okay, so this is your vocabulary. I want you to write the correct spelling of each word. Okay, so let's try to answer number 1. Okay, what's the correct spelling of home economics? Okay, so let's write here. H O M E E C O N O M I C S. Okay, so you're going to write the correct spelling of home economics. Number 2, skills. Number 3, baking. 4, cooking. 3, sewing. 4, family. 7, health. And 8, hygiene. Okay, write the correct spelling of the word. Okay, so next test 3. Okay, so in your video, okay, test 3 first. Let me explain. Write 5 Thai words that was in the video and translate it to English words. Okay, so you're going to look at some example. You're going to find 5 Thai words in this video that we discussed a while ago. Write it in the blank here, naka. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. The word is skills. So I wrote there the Pasatay word in the side of the word skills. Okay, so same as here, you're going to write from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I wrote there a lot of Thai words there in the video, so I hope you can answer this one. So that's all for your worksheet. See you again next time, and please stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye. See you again next time.